Today I'm going to show you how to resize entities inside of a block using parameters and actions. I particularly love this block. Before we get started, I expect you to already know how to use AutoCAD to a pretty good level. I expect you to have knowledge of block creation. I expect you to know how to use a linear parameter. I suggest you check lesson 1. And of course, as always, bring your enthusiasm. What we will be covering is how to scale geometry using a scale action and a linear parameter. Let's get started. You're going to need this reference drawing. We're going to start with a linear parameter. And you'll notice it really depends where you put the linear parameter in the drawing this time. If you put it close to the size of the mouse, it will make it more intuitive to scale. If you make it quite long and independent of the geometry, it may be more confusing for the user when they try and resize. I suggest you have a play at the different places that you can put the linear parameter and see what works best for your block. We're then going to use the scale action, apply it to that parameter, and select the geometry, in this case the mouse. I'm going to repeat the process and use the elephant. Just to show you that you can put linear parameters in different directions, I'm going from bottom to top this time. Now with both of these, I've used a single grip, but you can use multiple if you want. Save the changes, open up the drawing, and you can see that we can resize the entities as we choose. If it doesn't work quite the way you expected, please check my SOS video, which is included as part of this course. If you like what I do, please subscribe to my Patreon. In addition to the lessons that are available online for free, I also have a number of in-depth practice exercise, written instructions, and starter files and example files that are available to download. Please check the description. You're supporting not just me, but learners all over the world from a diverse set of backgrounds, different levels of education, and different starting points. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.